Hello from New York, Cam Fam. I just arrived. It's currently almost 12 midnight. I've yet to unpack. It's a very, very noisy street outside. Oh, you can't see because it's my reflection. But anyways, let the madness begin. So I'm staying at 9 Orchard Hotel and I already have my stuff here from last season. Thank you so much to my dear friend Carol for sending me my rack and hangers because the closet situation here is not good. Oh, we also have my outfit from Alice and Olivia already delivered to me. But yeah, it's too small, so we really need my rack. Time check, 1:40 a.m. I'm gonna take a bath and then I'm gonna go to sleep. See you tomorrow. Good morning, Cam Fam. So, we did not sleep. I tried to sleep. I mean, I worked until around 2 a.m. Went to bed around like 4 a.m. And then I was just there until around 7. And then I said, no, what? It's not happening. So this is our outfit for today. We are going to our first show, which is Bebza. It's my most packed day actually, which is why I'm a bit scared because I didn't get any sleep. I'm already running on probably 17 hours of no sleep because I tried to stay awake in the plane so that I would fall asleep when I get here. But that did not happen. So hopefully adrenaline would hit me and I will survive the day. Let's do this.
Work it, cannot hold, overflows, become one. Now work it and moan.
Done with Bebza. It was a beautiful show, lots of minimalist pieces once again, very sophisticated. This time she stuck to white, black, and gray. There were some fun accessories that I spotted and I really, really love them, especially the orange shoes. Now we are just waiting for our car to head to the next show, which is TV, and this is my look for TV. You guys will see it later when I'm walking. But anyway, a quick update on my well-being. I am still alive, which is quite surprising. I haven't had lunch, but we can have lunch afterwards. I don't want to be late for the show because I remember last season, they really closed the doors on time. And they sent out an email that they're going to be closing it 10 minutes before the show proper. So, wow! Yes naman! Hi! Late ka na! So yeah, we're going to the TV show. See you there.
So make it worth it. Whatever story you're in, whatever story you're in, you say I do.
So we just finished the TV show. Excuse the screaming. I think there's a Chinese pop star in there right now. They're not screaming for me, just. But anyway, we're gonna head back to the hotel again and then we're gonna go to Alice and Olivia presentation, which is our last shindig for today, which means I made it. Okay. Currently, probably 4:30 p.m. It's lunchtime. Before we head to Alice and Olivia, I'm gonna show you my outfit later, but we gotta get some sustenance first. Guys, I'd just like to say, no, I can't believe I'm still alive. I'm useful after all. Sleep? Who is she? We don't know her. Okay, so I have changed my clothing, something more comfortable. This is what I call my off-duty look. We are off to get some surprise, hot pot. We're craving for some Asian food. Yes, on my first official day here in New York Fashion Week. Some things never change, I know. But anyway, this is my look. Wanted to show you my top. This is a tweed top from Post Boutique. So it's an online store. They actually also have physical stores, I think. It's owned by my sister's friend and they have really affordable stuff. You guys should check them out. Like if you're on a budget, you'll probably find a lot of their stuff interesting. 73 questions. First question. Ba't ang tagal mo?
Pagod na po si Ma'am Shi. Ay, ako pala, Ma'am
Ikaw?
Shi!
Ikaw ang pagod? Sinong di natulog? How dare you? Pack! Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Sabi mo, bibigyan mo ko ng pretzels, kaya pala.
Backstory.
So before arriving, Lorene arrived before me and I told her that, hey, if you have time, I'm sure you're gonna go to the grocery. Buy me naman some like healthy snacks and water because I'm always thirsty. So she said, na okay. Like when I arrived, she said, okay, I'm gonna bring you na your water,
And your yogurt.
and also pretzels. Pagdating niya, yogurt tsaka water lang. Kaya pala.
But I am a good friend for buying you, right? And you're a good friend by letting me
Ubos
put
siya!
lipstick on first. Waka mo naman muna. Pa-lipstick lang muna bago tayo bumaba.
Dali, na pagod na ako. 27 hours na akong gising.
Ito na. Okay, let's go. I'm ready. Let's go.
It's not hot pot.
It's not hot pot. It's Italian. Let's eat wonton tomorrow.
Tomorrow is another day. But tonight, it's Italian. Good morning! It's a brand new day and I'm a brand new woman. I slept more than 8 hours today, which means I'm fully rested and ready for the day. I have a panicking friend over here. Ay, kinuha ko yata yung takip nilagay ko sa bag ko. She's looking for her camera cap. So anyway, the chaos. We are about to head to a presentation and then...
It's real because the driver's downstairs.
Oh, let's go. So anyway, as I was saying, we are headed to a presentation first. Which presentation are we going to?
Tara Babylon.
Tara Babylon, and then we are headed to the TikTok fashion party. There's a party going on, and then after that, we're gonna head to some shows. So presentations are usually very, very quick. So we were in and out from Tara Babylon. It was very, very cute.
In and out.
So usually presentations last for around like 2 hours, some are 1 hour. This one, they're for 2 hours, so the models will be standing there for 2 hours doing their rotation, so that's pretty intense, I feel. But anyway, we're now on our way to the TikTok fashion party. I don't really know what to expect there, but I think they might have like specific areas where you can create your own TikToks and stuff like that. But as a tita, I hope I can keep up. We'll probably see other creators there as well. Of course, I'm gonna bring you guys with me, so you'll experience it as well. I'll probably also be posting about it on my TikTok account. Okay, so we're already at the TikTok fashion area. Let's go! So we just finished with TikTok fashion. It was a pretty cool party. Lots of content creators there. My favorite part is the runway area where we got to do our own runway walk. And then they filmed it for us. It was so cool. Everyone was cheering us. People talaga here in New York are so supportive and also so confident. So it kind of like, parang nabuboost din yung confidence ko when they're like that. But anyway, we're going to the A-Beam show now. And yeah, it's just walking distance. So let's go. We're waiting for our Uber. We just finished the A-Beam show. It was beautiful. I feel like it's much edgier this time, or maybe it's just the way they styled it.
A mix of masculine and feminine.
A mix of masculine and feminine. They're very like minimalist, but still with lots of frills, lots of tulle. I also love their makeup look. As you've seen earlier, it's by NARS. Makeup was very minimalist also, like very much in theme with the outfit. Lots of skin, like very sheer, no makeup. I also love the hair. That's currently the type of hair that I love. Like I love it when it's so clean lang. There's like some gel situation over there. So yeah, and the footwear also was really nice. I feel like it's a nice contrast to the minimalist look. Like we were wearing platform sandals that are lace-ups. Very edgy. So it's a really nice contrast to the outfit. Pakasama tong tricycle? Itong motorcycle. But anyway, yeah, that's it. So now we're gonna head back to the hotel first and we'll see where the day takes us. So I just realized I didn't talk to you guys before the area show, but that's the area show and it was amazing. The pieces are beautiful. Area is always about individuality and they always have these eccentric pieces, but they're always, I feel, in my opinion, still very much sophisticated even though they're very trendy and very current. I already have a few pieces in mind, especially the denim pieces. They're beautiful. Hopefully, they're within my budget. But right now, we're gonna head to dinner, 99 Favors. I will be having dinner with Carol, my friend, who is hiding there and has no choice but to show herself to the vlog. I won't bring my camera because she deserves my full attention. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Good morning. I came in pretty late last night, so I wasn't able to do the stuff that I usually do here on my tab. And that is why I'm gonna do that now before I head out for lunch with TikTok Philippines. But anyways, in case you're wondering what I'm using the Samsung Tab S9, which I got just a few weeks ago. I am so in love with it. The colors are amazing. I was just telling Yanni that I'm so blown away by how crisp the screen is. I think it's got the dynamic AMOLED 2X, which is why everything just looks super duper clear and brilliant. Like the colors are so nice. But aside from that, I really love it because it makes me feel like I have a laptop. Even though it's just a tab, it already comes with a keyboard. Mine even has a trackpad, so I really feel like I have a laptop even though I'm just carrying a tab. It's so much more convenient than a laptop, but I feel like I'm not really missing out, especially because it's got the super cool desk mode. So if you click on the desk mode, it actually turns your interface into like a desktop. So you can see like the apps are all there and then you control the settings through this button over here. So if you're used to working on a desktop or a laptop, then you could just put on the desk mode, which is super helpful. Another thing I really love about this is that because it's such a perfect productivity and creativity tool. Did you see that? Did you see how perfect this case is too? So that's where I usually store my S Pen. So anyway, going back to the productivity and creativity tool, I love it because first of all, it works with an S Pen, and I'm a kind of girl who still likes to write notes, and I feel like it's easier for me to send my comments to my team when I can encircle things and scribble and stuff like that. So now what I really love is that Good Notes is already available on Android. It's one of my favorite apps ever since I started using tabs. And so the team, especially for Fashion Week now, they would send me some storyboards of our fashion reels, like for example like these, and then I would just go through them and just put on some comments here, like say okay, switch this and stuff like that, and I could just change it. And I'm a very visual person, so it really helps me if we have storyboards like this, and then we can clearly like just emphasize. I'll say that okay, make sure this is slow-mo, like let's correct it, let's make it slow-mo and stuff like that. So yeah, it just makes the entire team more in sync and more productive and efficient. And so I just feel like I can't go back now to my old ways because this is just so complete, especially if you're a Samsung user, because the entire Samsung ecosystem talks with each other. So it makes it so convenient for you to transfer files from one device to another and to make sure that all your files are synced. And I'm not scared to bring this around with me when I travel because it's so strong and durable that it can actually get wet. And even though it's wet, you can still write on it. It's actually water resistant. So I feel like even though I travel with it a lot, it's not gonna break down on me. So yeah, and that's what I do. I usually check out my email, send some storyboards in between the team. I also send the files, my files, which is why I have a memory card reader here. We try to do it every day. So I have my assistant Gabby with me and she helps me with that. So we do all the uploads here, transfer all the files, fix all the files for everyone so that the team back home can help me edit and we can churn out content like faster and more real time. So yeah, that's basically it. This is how my fashion week goes. I attend shows, attend events, attend meetings, and then I come home and do actual work on my Samsung Tab S9. And then when I have free time, which I haven't had yet, I love watching my Netflix here instead of watching my shows on the TV. It's just because it's so crisp. Like, I cannot emphasize enough how crisp it is. Anyway, I must dress up. I just wanted to show you guys what I do here and how cool my tab looks. See, did you see that? This case is so smart, right? And then you can also, like, if you don't want to bring your keyboard, it's so easy. It's just like this. Ta-da! And the keyboard is out. You can just bring this around, but you know, just put this here. And then see, this is how you hide the S Pen. Isn't that amazing? Oh my gosh. Anyway, I really have to dress up. Okay, so I'm finally out of the hotel. We just finished our lunch with Aloha of TikTok Philippines, and we're now at the TikTok office. Dun, 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 dun. We're gonna get to tour the TikTok office here in New York. I have no idea what it looks like, but I'm expecting some cool spots. I'm gonna bring you with me today in my life as a TikTok executive. Pretty cool. We saw this when we were entering. We thought they were just decorations, but no, it's actually a meeting room. This is something that Yanni wants to work on also in the Philippines. I can think a lot of software providers also already do this, where you can schedule when you want to use the meeting rooms, and I feel that these are super useful for offices. But these are extra cute though. Also, I matched them. And this is how it looks inside. So they have a lot of floors here in the building, so we're gonna explore another floor. This is their meeting room. They just had a meeting here. It's so huge. You can also see like 2 huge screens there, so that's where they do like online meetings and stuff. It's 2 floors. I don't know if you see it. It's huge. They also have a rooftop terrace where you can also work. A beautiful space, super inspiring. It's so nice. Look at this view. Right after TikTok, we just changed to this. Well, actually, we shot my full Tory Burch look, but then I wanted to wear something else to the show itself. So this is our show outfit. I think we like it, right? And I did like a really fast thing to my hair. Actually, I tried to do the thing that the hairstylists do. Let's hope that it will stay in place because it feels like it's starting to get windy. So, hala na. At least you guys see the pre-show look before it gets ruined by the wind. But yeah, I'm also carrying a Tory Burch bag to the show. It's pretty far, so we have to leave in a bit already.
Boss ass. Boss ass bitch.
All dressed up, we're gonna head to the COS showroom real quick. Still deciding if I'm gonna walk or ride the car. Let's see if it's too hot. Then we'll ride a car, but if it's not too hot, let's walk. Let's go to the COS showroom because today is the COS show. Taga. Anyway, let's go. So I decided to walk. It's not so hot and it's not rainy, so it's the perfect weather to walk. So I'm just discovering we're really deep in Chinatown because I see all my favorite things here. Lots of Asian stores and restaurants, which is super nice. But anyway, the showroom is also within Chinatown, I feel, because you still see a lot of Chinese words. We're off to the COS show in my COS outfit. Oh my gosh. We tried to make our hair work. I think we did well naman. I can't decide which sunnies to wear, if it's this one or this one.
Streets in the city's on fire. There's a heat wave rolling in.
I'm exhausted. Oh, we just finished our dinner with COS. I am so happy to be back in the hotel. And just like that, another fashion week is done. The COS show was amazing as per usual. I love that they always stick to their guns, which is like urban, minimalist, very much something you'll wear to the city, but they're very easy also to mix and match. It's very practical, also very put together all the time. I love that this time they also included some pieces with embellishments, some fringe going on there. Again, really strong bags in this collection. I just love how they presented everything as well against the backdrop of the venue. It's such a nice contrast between like the minimalist pieces and then the red-orange floor, and then they also had the sustainability going on with these, I don't know what you call that. It's not perforated, but those yero in Tagalog. But yeah, it's a really nice story overall for the show. And as per usual, I will be getting a lot of these pieces once they hit the stores. I hear that there are some special pieces that won't hit the Philippine market, but we will see it in other stores. So when you guys are abroad, make sure to check out the COS stores as well, because not everything will be in the Philippine store at SM Aura. But yeah, overall, I really enjoyed the show. I loved seeing all my friends from all over the world as well for COS, and like everyone was just there and everyone was present, and it's just like a nice little reunion. And so yeah, that's basically everything. I am so drained. My social battery is so drained. My brain is so drained. I am so ready to go to sleep. See you guys on the next vlog. Thank you for joining me. I can't wait to see Sienna!